Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how we can easily overlay image in ShotCut. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on master and click add video track. In the first video track, have your, your video. And then in video 2, we are going to open file and I'm going to find, this ShotCut logo right here. Now what I'm going to do, I can see it in my preview mode, I would take it and paste it to video 2. Now I'm going to make it a little bit longer. And when I'm going to click, you can see it right here. But what if we want to in my left down corner? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click filters, plus, and I will write here size. And you can see it right here, the size and position. Double click on it. And then what you want to do is just, you can play like this here. Oh, sorry. I did a mistake. I'm sorry. You need to click on your V2 file on your image and write here size. And double click. Now you can play with it like this and put it in a corner. Like this, you can see right here. And you can also make, slide in from right. Yep, what you need to do here. But when you're gonna make it, it's going to bug a little bit, so let's just leave it like this. Okay. Here. So this is how we can add a logo to your video, or even how we can overlay image on video. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe, and goodbye.